Imagine your phone sorting cat and dog photos instantly. Today we'll see how a neural network does this. You'll learn the basic building block, how data flows forward, and how the system trains itself. A single neuron receives numbers, multiplies each by a weight, adds a bias, then passes the total through an activation function. Think of it like a tiny decision maker that outputs a number between 0 and 1. If we feed it 2 pixel values, say 30 and 200, the neuron might output 0.8. Stack several neurons side by side and you get a layer. Every input connects to every neuron in that layer. Each neuron has its own weights and bias, so the layer can detect different patterns at once. Chain layers together and you have a network. Input layer, one or more hidden layers, and an output layer. Data enters at the left, gets multiplied, summed, activated, and moves right, step by step, until the final layer produces a prediction. For a 2-pixel image, the network might output 0.9 cat and 0.1 dog, meaning it is confident the image shows a cat. Training compares this prediction to the true label and computes a loss. A single number telling us how wrong we were. The network then uses backpropagation to nudge every weight and bias slightly downhill on the loss curve, repeating this for many epochs until the error stays low. Once trained, the same ideas scale to recognize faces, translate languages, and even beat humans at complex games. Neurons combine inputs with weights and bias. Layers stack these neurons, and forward plus backward passes train the whole network. Explore deeper and you can build systems that see, hear, and understand the world around you. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.